Hey guys, welcome back to Southern Balance. Today we're talking to my friend Anna. We're over here at Alonzo's Novelties. This is going to be on D Avenue and 5th Street in booth
568.
568. We know all of our friends, we just don't remember all their booth numbers. So Anna, why don't you show us around and show us what you got?
Hello you guys, welcome to Alonzo's Novelty. My name is Anna Alonzo and we've been here in the market for 5 years. Our product is original. We have Converse, different size, colors, designs for $25.
Wow.
Then we carry Puma, Nike.
Anna, do you carry the Converse like in kid sizes and adult sizes?
Yes, my love. You can see from the baby size.
Oh wow, look at that. Little kid size. That's very cool.
Until bigger sizes, like for example, I'm sorry, I'm a little short.
That's okay. Just call it vertically challenged. Oh yeah, okay. That's cool.
And any size, since the size number 1, babies, until the size 13 or 14 that sometimes we have is $25.
Oh wow, that's really, you know that I think those shoes in the mall, they're like $40, I think.
Yes, my
$40,
love,
$45.
Yes, plus tax. And here is $25.
No tax?
No tax.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
That's fantastic.
It's a good deal.
Show us
right?
what else you got. It's a very good deal.
So then right now in the market is going with the Puma.
Pumas are very popular.
Yeah, right now, and this style is, people is getting crazy.
Okay.
We got something more comfy for the ladies, like me, you know, like we want to be a little more. And then we have like the classic ones.
Yes, yeah, those are also very popular.
Yes, then we have some Asics. We have Jordan with really few.
Okay.
The Jordan are $65.
Okay.
It's the only more expensive, the Jordan and the Ferrari.
Okay.
That's gonna be it. Then the rest gonna be $35.
Okay.
35.
Okay.
And we have these styles like this. What happened with us is like, for example, if we have this fork here, gonna be this style. And these ones are the only numbers that we're gonna have.
Okay, I understand.
Okay, so if they are a single pair, it's because that is the last one that we have.
Okay, I understand. Okay.
So you can see our product. We have Converse, we've been talking about, $25.
Oh yeah, beautiful Converse.
Puma, high top.
Yeah, wow.
Then we have what is indoor for soccer.
Oh, you have soccer shoes too. Indoor soccer, okay.
Indoor soccer.
Indoor soccer.
And we have cleats too, non-football soccer.
Okay, I understand.
But you know, although we have rain boots.
Okay. Okay, do you carry those for guys and girls or just girls?
Yeah, right now I just have girls.
Okay.
And I just have a few more.
Okay.
I will not gonna lie. I don't know if I will gonna bring more.
Okay.
Or not.
But you always have a pretty good inventory of different types of things?
Yes, my love.
Okay.
Every weekend we always bring something different. All the time.
Right.
And we have Converse, like a high top.
I see you have Adidas, you have a lot of things. Yeah, Nike.
We have Nike high top.
Oh wow, yeah.
Yes. And this is the one that we were talking about, the Ferrari ones.
Right.
That are a little more pricey, but honestly it's not like a super pricey.
Right.
More cheap than the store for sure.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, that's good to know. Wow.
We check every single store. We're going to Ross, we're going to Marshalls, we're going to Nike.
Okay.
And our product always gonna be lower.
You're lower than Ross and Marshalls? Oh, that's great.
The same store, Nike.
Because their stores are already discounted prices.
Yes.
So if you're lower, then this is the place to buy tennis shoes.
Yes. And we have a New Balance.
New Balance.
More Puma, because how I say Puma right now is like a...
They're really popular, Puma, right now. Right.
Puma is the main thing. And for the guys that work on their feet, we have Skechers.
Okay.
We have big sizes. I think like we have sizes 14.
Wow.
And if you need size 20, we have few size 20
all the way to size 20. Wow, look at that shoe. It's as big as you are.
Oh, I know.
It's a big shoe.
It's a big shoe.
Yeah.
Yeah,
wow.
And we have like a size 12 in, how I say, Puma is the main thing.
Right. Okay.
And explain you once again, if we have just one box, is the only pair that we have. So like this, meaning that this pair of shoes, maybe I brought it 3 weeks ago, and I have the big old line with different sizes. And right now this one is the left one.
Okay, I understand. Yeah. Okay, and on this side you have even more. Look at that.
Yes, I have more tennis shoes, like a New Balance.
Wow.
Different styles.
Really nice. Really, really nice.
Like a more Converse.
Flashy.
Look, Converse for kids. These ones are the same of people, so this meaning that
Yeah.
They're mixing it up. That
that only means you're doing a lot of business.
Yeah, then
That's
we
good.
have Pumas.
Yeah.
More Pumas.
Uh-huh.
We have just like a regular ones that is Joy Mario's. I never know the brand.
Uh-huh.
But like these ones are $15, you
Okay.
know.
Oh, it's very good prices.
Yeah, we have more here.
Okay.
You can see.
Well, I like the fact.
Sometimes-
Go ahead. I'm sorry. I was just gonna say I like the fact that your inventory is always changing.
Yes,
let me walk on something
Yes,
outside.
yes, baby.
You always get a lot of stuff.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
and like sometimes we have specials that like our providers give us a really good special, so we bring it to you guys. Like these hats are 1 for $2 or 3 for $5.
Wow,
you
can
know?
you beat that? That's
Yeah.
great.
Like we have from the Air Force.
Look at that.
Look at these ones, really nice. I'm sorry.
No, that's good.
You know,
3 for $5.
$11.99 at Ace.
But you're
and
selling
here
them
is
3 for
$2,
$5.
3 for $5.
1 for $2 and 3 for $5. Look at that.
And we have all that type, you know, for young people,
Uh-huh.
for football,
Wow.
and things like that. We too continue having clothing.
Uh-huh.
We have sometimes inventory of New Balance.
Okay.
Clothing don't go.
Oh, I
don't-
see. They're New Balance. Yeah.
Do not exceed more than $10.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Like we have here too. These pants are $5.
Uh-huh. Wow.
This set is $10.
Uh-huh. Wow. You have all kinds of stuff out
Okay,
here.
we have here more New Balance.
Oh, yeah,
It is
look at
$10 a piece, of course.
Uh-huh.
$10 the top, $10
Right.
the bottom.
But that's really cheap for New Balance. That's a really good price.
Yes, my love.
Yes.
And we continue with more New Balance, more Converse, Puma,
Uh-huh.
Adidas. You tell me when to stop.
No, no. Well, what about all these colorful ones on the rack? What
Yes,
is this?
This one's over here is soccer.
Oh,
Basically,
okay.
we have the soccer in this rack.
Uh-huh.
Because we don't have as many either. When we bring them, going by fast.
Oh, okay. I understand.
Yes, yes.
So
and,
you have kids and adult sizes in this also?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Like let me see. Like we have kids.
Oh yeah, look at that. Wow.
Yes, and then we have big sizes.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You know, so we have a little of everything. We do not repeat
The same styles?
inventory.
Right, I understand. The inventory. Wow.
So
Even more. Wow. You have some
we
nice
have
things.
more Puma, more Nikes.
Uh-huh.
We continue with more Nikes over here, more
Yeah.
Adidas.
Wow. You have a lot of stuff.
Yes,
Look at
my
that.
love.
And I see even on that side, even on the far wall over here, you have more kids, a lot of
Yes,
kids.
More, this is for 10 and lower.
Look at that, guys. All these little kid sizes. You mean 10 is in $10?
No, baby.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Size 10.
Oh, size 10 and
And
smaller.
lower, yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Your prices were just so cheap, I just wasn't sure.
Would you like some water?
Yeah, you have so.
No, you okay?
Yeah, no, you have really good stuff.
Yeah, and
Really nice.
we continue here with more sizes. And I'm sorry that I'm gonna drink water, but
That's okay. Oh, it's like your shoes never stop.
yeah, here is more kids,
Uh-huh.
right? More colors, designs, styles.
Uh-huh.
We have here still more. I never know what
Okay.
to tell you. Puma,
That's okay.
Nike,
Yeah.
Keds.
Yep,
we
all
have
kinds of stuff.
Sperry's.
Oh, that's a good. That's very. You have a lot of stuff. So, anyway, so guys, we're talking to my friend Anna, and we're over here at Alonzo's Novelties. And come out and visit her if you want a great deal on major name brand shoes at discounted prices. And again, we're at the corner of 5th Street and D Avenue at Traders Village in Houston. So come out and visit us, guys.
See you later.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.